We're bringing you breaking news that we just got into our newsroom. This out of Tampa. Moments ago, the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office told us that a construction worker at Port Tampa Bay was killed. Deputies say workers were moving a concrete slab that weighed about 3,000 pounds. It broke off and it landed on that 27-year-old worker. He was taken to the hospital where he later died. We are, of course, staying on top of developments out of this incident, and we will bring you any information starting tonight at 5 on 10 Tampa Bay and also on our website, 10tampabay.com. Just awful right there.